And we're back with ZoTheBarber561. You're tuned in. Today we got a cleaning and sanitation video, little tutorial just going over some of the procedures that I use and the tools that I'm working with right now, my clippers and trimmers. Just showing you guys how I deep clean my clippers and trimmers. I remove the blades, get all the debris, any other caked up hair, oil, any products that have gotten stuck in the clippers. This is a great way to get them out and get your clippers and trimmers hitting like new. And the tools that you will need for this procedure are simple. A pair of gloves to eliminate any cuts or scratches from the blades. It also eliminates getting hair splinters from the hair that's caked up in your clippers and trimmers. So get you a pair of gloves. You also need some type of cup, bowl, container, whatever you use to mix your cleaning product. Also get you a couple napkins, towels, whatever you feel like you need. And the tools that I'll be working on today, I got my Gamma Absolute Alphas. This clipper is great, man. It's great for cutting straight hair. It also cuts fine with wet hair. It's just a very precise and lightweight. It's a durable clipper, man. You can hold it all day long and cut with it. I would very highly recommend it though for straight hair. I'm also working on my Andis Cordless Masters today, and this is a great clipper, great for fading. It does a great job of taking out ball lines at the bottom of your fades. It is very useful for beginner barbers or anybody that's trying to learn the different levels to taking out a ball line. It has the notches on the side, so it's very useful. And I also have my Wall Magic Clip Metallic Edition, and this clipper is to me it's like a fortified version of the Magic Clip. It's the Magic Clip with that strong motor that you want. I also have my Babyliss Gold FX. I mean, this clipper here is a step above your average cutting clipper. Really gives you a precise fade. Very lightweight, very comfortable in your hand, and it's stylish as well, man. I highly recommend it. And as far as my trimmers, I have my Wall Cordless Detailer LI. Man, this trimmer here is a hitter. I also have the 1 minute blade modifier that was made by Chuka the Barber. Shout out to the Rich Barber. Man, that modifier is exactly what you want for your trimmer blades. Man, you put it on that detailer, it's gonna hit guaranteed. And I also have a collection of the Babyliss trimmers. I have the skeletons. I have 3 different colors. You'll see all of those coming up. But man, Babyliss, to me, in my opinion, they have some of the most precise trimming blades. They're very accurate, and they don't get too much hair. They don't hit what you don't want to hit. I'll just put it like that, plain and simple. They're very accurate, they're very precise, and they make strong, prominent lines around the outline of your haircut. So they're highly recommended. They work through bulk very well. They take out hair and skin fades. They trim out the bottom of skin fades very well. If you're gonna use those though to bald out, I would highly recommend that you have more than 1 pair, so you won't just tear down the blades that you're actually doing your lineups with. So, I mean, hey, if you have more than 1 pair, they're great to use for balding out. Highly recommend it. This clipper is precise and it does damage. Alright, and the first thing we want to do is to remove all of our blades, our cutting blades and our moving blades. We want to remove those, set them in the sanitized station for about 10 minutes, no longer than 15 minutes. Take them out and then let them air dry. But I mean, use your good screwdriver, whether it's the one that came with your clipper kit, or if you have a home screwdriver that you want to use, it's fine. Go ahead, sit down, put some time aside, man, and get to work. It's pretty self-explanatory. You can see me going in, just brushing and just looking for any caked up hair, any caked up oil, or anything that has been left and stuck in the clippers since the last time I cleaned them. This method, man, it works well for making your clippers, like if you can notice that your clippers just aren't hitting like they were when you first got them, you need to deep clean them. For me, I at least deep clean my clippers. I try to deep clean all of my clippers that I'm using on a regular basis. I clean them at least once a month, sometimes more depending on how many clients I have within that month, but I at least clean them once a month, deep clean them. They have different sanitizing stations now where you can kind of let your clippers run and stick it down in some cleaning solution. I think it's H42. But yeah, you can sit it down and sit it in some cleaning solution and it removes hair like that. But it's nothing better than that deep clean. You remove your blades, get you a good brush and get down in there and remove everything manually. Man, I'm telling you, you'll be working with a new clipper. It'll hit like it's fresh out the box. So guys, just stick around, watch, tell me what you think, like, subscribe, comment. Man, let's go. Let's take this channel to the next level, man. Hey, I promise you more and more content will be coming soon. Stick with me. Going through a major transition right now. Like I said, the ones who've been following me, you guys know I just graduated. So man, I'm just rearranging some things, just getting myself a little bit stronger and ready to take the next step. Me and my wife, man, we have a lot of content coming to you guys in the near future. So stick around, like, subscribe. I'm going to be incorporating my wife into my page very soon. So, man, you guys look forward to some great quality content, man. I'll let you guys in, man, on what we do for a living. Peace. And also, if you would like to see a part 2 to this cleaning video because it was longer, just didn't know if it was going to be something that people really wanted to see. So if you want to see part 2, go ahead and drop a like, drop a comment, let me know part 2, and we'll get it posted. Thanks, man. God bless.